or what?
Then I forgot the. Yes, ma'am.
It's just like little patience and some and few more hours to go, and you all also will be in school, right?
Ma'am, but I will not. Ma'am, I will not. Ma'am, I will coming
Who
first
will not?
January into the school.
Okay.
What,
I have,
ma'am?
wait. I have to confirm a couple of things with you all. Have you all sent your consent form to the class teacher or submitted? All those who have not submitted will send a mail to the class teacher, CC Jyoti ma'am, informing that this is the problem. I mean, this is the choice that you have made, whether it's online, whether it's school transport, home transport, school food, home food, everything. Okay. So that when you come to
Ma'am.
school tomorrow, everything is sorted out. Yes.
Ma'am, I wanted to
Yeah.
something. I but Deepika mail to Jyoti ma'am class. Ma'am.
I can't, one by one, I will be able to answer, and I will only talk to people whose hands are raised. So, first is Vivan. If he stops eating, his mouth is full, how are you supposed to talk to me?
But I am saying that you are in third B, right?
Yeah, I'm in your class, your 2 year back class.
Ma'am, I know because
I'm
the
in
chat,
third
discipline
C.
chat.
I am in the same class in which we used to learn SST. I'm in the same class. Okay, next. Just relevant questions. Ibrahim. Now quiet. Ibrahim.
Ma'am, I have sent the form, but my mom said that 1 month you will do online.
One.
1 month you will do online.
Okay, so you're going for online class. Okay, Man.
Ma'am.
Quickly, question.
Ma'am, I am telling see this.
What is this?
I have make it in older year. The every people use the mail like this. They fold and they open like this.
Yeah. A roll. You're
A
talking about a
roll,
roll.
yeah.
Yeah.
I've make it like this.
Yes,
A
Ayan,
mail.
what's your question?
If we are not joining the school on 1st
I can't
December,
hear you at all. That's it. Open your mouth and say. What? Now he's quiet. Ayan, what's your question?
yeah. Ma'am, on 1st December, if we don't join the school, can we join the school on 1st January or middle of the month?
Ayan, your voice is not clear, beta. Please type your question in the chat box.
Ma'am, he is telling that if he doesn't attend the school from 1st December to 1st January, then can he attend the class from 1st January?
Yes.
No, offline classes.
Ayan, you type your question in the chat box, please. Yes, Rudra Mangukia.
Ma'am, you are telling me that we have to make that what we are doing from school, transport and food. Marjorie ma'am in the morning took that who is taking from school and who is taking from home.
So,
We don't have to mail now.
okay, Riddhi, put your camera on first.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
but Deepika ma'am told that who is coming to the school will take the consent form to the school and submit to the class teacher.
Yes, that is also to be done. You have to bring a hard copy, a printout of that form, carry it along with you tomorrow itself, and submit it to your class teacher. Okay?
Ma'am, I have given to the reception.
Okay, fine. Yeah, this form, Prisha, this form. You have to submit this form, which should be duly signed by your parents. Without the signature, this
Yes.
form means nothing. Yes, Anvi, the same form. with the signature you have to bring to school tomorrow if you are coming to school tomorrow. Ayan, please
what is
mail
this form?
Jyoti ma'am for this. Ayan, please mail Jyoti ma'am and your class teacher. Yes, Farzan.
Ma'am, what is this form about?
This is the consent form that your parent is ready to send you to school. So you have to carry a copy to it tomorrow. Otherwise,
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I ask my mom that you have shown yesterday in school? Or not? Can I ask my mom that you have showed the form by phone in the school? Can I ask? Ma'am, come.
any other questions? Yes.
Ma'am,
Good if
me.
you wear. Good if you wear your uniform and sit. You'll
Ma'am,
at
if
least have a
we
feel.
if we
You'll at least have a feel that you are attending the online class of Tapti.
ma'am, it's compulsory.
If it is not compulsory, you'll not wear it, Brian.
Ma'am, he is asking because the size that I have, it's not fit to me.
You have not increased even 1 centimeter, Ibrahim. You're still the same that I saw you 2 years back.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to ask on
Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am,
about uniform. Ma'am, I have one set of white uniform and one set of house uniform. So can I do that? One day I wear white and one day house.
White is only to be worn every day.
Compulsory, ma'am.
second, ma'am.
Come tomorrow, he'll inform you. Come in white tomorrow. Okay. Yes, Prisha, what's your question?
Ma'am, I was just asking that this only we have to bring, nothing else.
Nothing else. Your bag, according to the timetable that you received today. And
Ma'am, there will be reading class also.
no reading class from tomorrow. As of now, no reading class for tomorrow. Okay.
SRM?
And when that starts, will you ask this all to your class teacher, please, Prisha? Okay. Today we have the dictation, right? I am sending you the form. Start doing the dictation.
Ma'am, I will tell at the last.
Done.
One thing I want to.
Here we go. And no talking now. Everyone will type in the chat box. Nothing else. Nobody is going to switch. I will remove that person. I'm telling you.
Ma'am, same problem.
What, Man?
I can't hear the Vokuru voice. Can I leave?
Now that I can't send the separate one to you. Open it in a separate tab.
Ma'am, your voice is not. Ma'am, I can't hear your voice. Ma'am, can I leave for 5 minutes and I will, when my CT will done, I will join back.
Okay, fine.
And me too the same.
Yeah, fine. No problem. Are you able? Are you all able to hear me? Okay. When you are in the school, you don't have to join anything. Am I right? All right. Start working with this. Yes, Kaki. You have mentioned no, that in the form you have not sent a mail. Ask your mother to send. Whatever is the reason, Kaki, you just send a mail to Jyoti ma'am and me that you will be joining the school after 2 days. And what you have updated, food, transport, everything from school, that everything you mention clearly in that email. Yes. Punish. I'm still waiting written for your mother. Same. Same here. Yeah, the timetable. No. Timetable will be shared with you. Please do the dictation very slowly and carefully, and don't be in a hurry to submit.
Ma'am, can you send the link one more time?
1 minute, Rehan. Send it. I have also posted it in the classroom. Okay, Vansh, that's not a problem. Please start doing the dictation. I've posted the link in the classroom and the chat box. start doing. Yes, 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 you are supposed to solve the next one also. Come on, be faster. No. You can see I have posted it in the classroom.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Riddhi.
can you check
Yeah,
the
beta.
third one manually? Because the third question I've written the same as it is showing, but it is showing wrong.
No, but no worries, beta. I have to check in manually because it's sentence situation. No? So there will be a problem with the spacing of it. So I will check it manually. Don't worry. If the spellings are correct, I will mark it correct.
Ma'am, in first question that I have written whole answer, whole sentence,
Very good. Excellent.
but
What
it
a
is
Ma'am, by network issue I left. What are you saying?
I said, bacha, anyways, this is sentence situation, so I have to check it manually.
Okay.
Don't worry. I'll do that.
Ma'am, can we submit?
No, please check and then submit. Huh? Check and then
I
submit.
cannot hear. I have checked.
Please type your questions in the chat box. Others are getting disturbed. क्या है? No, Ayan. You cannot.
Now can I submit?
And just to remind you, the next dictation will be taken in the classroom because all of us will be here and only few of us will be at home. So the ones who are at home will also be doing it in the notebook. And after the period is over, you will be sending me a picture. The way you submit your homework, same way you'll be sending me a
कैमरा
picture
तो
of
ऑन
your
करो।
work. Yes,
मैम
ma'am. हाँ जी मैम.
ये यार टाइप कर रहा है, सारा का सारा रिमूव हो रहा है।
क्यों?
पता नहीं फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में ही बार बार रिमूव हो जा रहा है, सेकंड जैसे ही क्लिक करता है फर्स्ट रिमूव हो रहा है।
हाँ मैम।
2 बार हो चुका है, क्या करूं? दिखा किसका?
किस किस में कर रहा है वो, मतलब?
मैम लैपटॉप।
हेलो, क्या करूं मैम? मोबाइल में करूं?
हाँ देख लीजिए, अगर उसमें होता है तो।
तो टाइप करने में टाइम निकल जाएगा।
या तो क्लास के बाद मुझे सबमिट कर दीजिए, मैं क्लास में
वो नहीं
मैं
हो पाएगा मैम, क्योंकि ये 3 बार उधर कर चुका है और तीनों बार वो डिलीट अपने आप ही सेकंड टाइप करता है, फर्स्ट छूट जाता है।
हाँ तो मैंने लिंक भेजा है क्लास में, उसको बोलो बाद में कर ले ब्रेक में।
इसमें करो तो 5 ही है, फटाफट हो जाएगा।
हाँ मैंने कम ही दिए हैं।
हाँ ठीक है मैम, मैं करवाती हूँ। Mask, sanitizers, do not forget. According to the category, bring your books, compass box properly. Do not roam in the class for asking erasers and pencils and scale and everything. You have to bring it. Yes or no? Working. I have already mentioned first and third Saturday when we were. I have already mentioned point 6. You can go to the. Is there any doubt now regarding this? Harish, are you sure that your mom has no doubt now?
Ma'am, in phone it's coming all.
Okay, great. So you take your time and do it, Bacha. No hurry.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I stop this?
Ma'am, after class 10 I send because class 10.
Yeah, no problem.
Any confusion about tomorrow? Once again, I'm telling.
Children, you people are clear about tomorrow's class?
Either in the third day, third
Yes, ma'am.
the classes
Ma'am, I'm so happy
Huh, you're excited?
because ma'am we are meeting at school and and
Ma'am,
playing
when
with children in school.
One by one. Huh? We'll continue with this conversation, but one by one. Tell me.
ma'am, when
Yeah, man.
timetable will come?
Today, after 5 p.m., you can expect the timetable. 5:50.
Okay, ma'am.
You will receive the timetable. You will receive the transport list, as in when you have to go for the
Ma'am, so
the
it's
bus
gonna be
stop.
8:30 a.m.
Huh? What, Ayan?
So in the form it said 8:30 a.m.
Hmm. A.m.
So it's not 9:30.
No. Because all those who have opted for school food will have this no breakfast after coming to school. So how will we reach at 9:30 and start the class also 9:30? Right?
Ma'am, can we submit?
Yeah, bacha. Start submission.
just a minute, ma'am. Yes, we can continue. You have to bring 2
Ma'am,
Hmm.
other means a consent form we have to take with our
Yeah,
means
yeah,
that
children. An important
school.
thing to remember. Wait, wait, wait. I'll make the announcement once. It will be clear after that. Remember, children, the form that we have sent you, the consent form that we have sent you people have to take a printout of that form and carry it to school. Okay? You have to carry it to school. A printout of that form, and you have to carry it to school so that we know that you are agreeing to coming to school. All right?
Ma'am, the hard copy of the form.
Hard copy of the form, exactly. Hard copy.
Excuse me,
Yeah, Parnika.
saying that everything is right. Just after the comma, it's showing that we have to give space, but I didn't put space, so it's showing me that it's wrong.
Don't worry, Parnika. I have to check it manually. I will take care of that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Kush.
Ma'am, I will come from 6th December.
Fine. No problem. Okay, children, that's all for today. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. All those are coming for the offline.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
will. Bye, ma'am. I will send.
Bye, ma'am.